Hey friends, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another video today, and also welcome to the month of May 2021. So what a roller coaster of a ride this year has been so far. It has not been that great, to be honest, and we are all aware of the current COVID situation and the second wave and how it has affected us, whether it's physically, mentally, emotionally. Also, I have seen a lot of people whom I know have passed away. It's really disheartening to see the things that are happening right now. All I would say that if you believe in God and if you pray, definitely pray for all those who are affected, all those who have lost hope. Also, take care of yourself and your family. Read books, listen to music, and do things that you really like, because in ये situation में तुम और कुछ कर नहीं सकते हो. All you can do is pray. Pray for yourself, pray for everybody in the world so that we come out of the situation. Most importantly, guys, please wear a mask even if you have been vaccinated, because vaccination is not a sure shot thing which will make sure that you do not get the COVID, but it will really help you in the long run. So please get yourself vaccinated. I'm totally looking forward to it, and I'm going to register on the app so that मेरा भी number आए and मेरी vaccination ले लूँ. So I would say keep yourselves together and look at the positive side of things, and I'm sure we all will get through it. So coming to today's video, I wanted to film a video on the NY Bay of blinking eyeshadow. So these are single eyeshadows, and this is from the brand NY Bay, which is not new on my channel. So if you're interested in knowing more about these eyeshadows, my thoughts on it, then please keep on watching. If you like my content and if you would like to support me in this YouTube journey, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Let's get started now. Okay friends, so let's start with the review right away. As you can tell on my face, I have done some makeup. I have applied BB cream, I have applied concealer under my eyes, around my mouth. I've also set my face, applied some blush, and done my brows as well, because the star of this video is going to be the eyeshadow. So I do have the eyeshadows out here. These are the NY Bay blinking eyeshadows. I have 5 shades with me. All of them have been purchased by me with my own money. This is not a PR or sponsored video. Just wanted to clear that. So these eyeshadows come in a magnetic kind of packaging. It's a cardboard packaging, and let me show you one of these. So this is how they look like. It comes in this cardboard kind of a thingy, and once you remove it, it looks like that. So it's pretty much similar, and once you take this off also no problem, because the expiry date, everything is mentioned out here. Now it has a cardboard packaging and it has a magnetic glass. Can you hear that? So I really like that. Also, once you open it, everything about that particular shade name is mentioned. This shade which I'm holding right now is Woolworth 18, and it says, "Did you know the Woolworth building is filled with carvings of strange and mysterious faces?" So this is how the shade looks like, and this is how the packaging is. So because I have 5 shades out here, I will go through them one by one very briefly. I'm going to start with the first shade that I have. It is the NY Bay blinking eyeshadow in Brooklyn number 6. So this is a copper color, and obviously it has shimmer to it. It's like very shimmery and metallic kind of color. This shade will look good on every skin tone. ये बहुत ही अच्छा शेड है, एंड डेफिनेटली आप जब भी शादी वगैरह में जाते हैं तो इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Again, there is some information mentioned here. It says 21 elephants were made to cross the Brooklyn Bridge to prove its strength. So yeah, I'm sure you must have heard of the Brooklyn Bridge. So all these names that are on these eyeshadows are related to New York, obviously, because it's in White Bay. So that was the first shade. The next shade is the most popular one from their range. It is called Queens 7. Queens is the most ethically diverse urban area in the world, it seems. This is how it looks like. It's a beautiful champagne pinky kind of color, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so moving on, the next shade I have is Bronx. This is one of my favorites, and it's a golden eyeshadow. Now, the Bronx is the birthplace of hip hop music, so I know much about the New York culture, so I'm pretty much aware of this. So this is how the shade looks like. It's a beautiful golden color. I gifted my sister-in-law this color because I think it will look great on any skin tone. It will look great on her as well. The next shade I have is Woolworth, which I've already shown you guys. So it's a beautiful dark maroony kind of color. And the last shade I have is Carnegie Hall 23, and this is how it looks like. So it's a beautiful maroon reddish kind of color. Now these eyeshadows come in 24 shades, and what I have observed is that all of them are like metallic-y or has a silky finish. There is no matte, matte shade or something in this collection, which is kind of disappointing. I always expect कि एक matte black or एक matte brown होना चाहिए. So these are the shades that I have. I'm not going to do finger swatches. However, I will try to insert a clip right now so that you know how it looks like. So please stay tuned and watch the clip. Okay friends, so these are five of the eyeshadows. The first shade right towards my left is shade number 6. Then we have shade number 7, which is Queens. Then the third shade is Bronx. The fourth shade is Woolworth, and the last shade is Carnegie Hall, which is number 23. तो ये इस तरह से शेडोज़ दिखते हैं, सब में मेटालिक शीन है और कोई भी शेडो मैट नहीं है. So yeah, these are the shades. So I'm going to go ahead and apply these eyeshadows on my eyes, like not all 5 of them, but I'll try to create a makeup look. So I'm going to prime my eyelids first. I'm using the NY Bay Concealer Foundation Stick. I have already reviewed this on my channel, तो आप अगर वो वीडियो नहीं देखे हैं तो डेफिनेटली देखिए. I link it in the description. And even if I don't, you can go ahead on my channel. I think 2-3 videos ago I have done a review of this one. Now while I have applied this as a base, I'm not going to put any powder, and I'm going to set it, because whenever you use powder eyeshadow, it's definitely going to not stick if you put powder. So this is how I do my eyes. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring the camera a little bit closer so that you can see what I'm doing right now. So honestly, I don't know which shade I should start with. I believe I'm going to take the Brooklyn shade, which is shade number 6. Now as I said, there is no what do you call that, there is no matte shade, so I'm going to go with this one, and we are going to see how the look turns out. So I'm going to use a little bit of it, tap off the excess, and then I'm going to apply it here. This one is really pigmented, and I'm just going to place it here on the outer V and take it a little bit inside. Okay friends, so this is what I have achieved so far. I have applied that coppery color out here and also taken it a little bit in the crease as my crease color. The next shade I'm using is the Bronx. Now this is the golden color, and it will suit most skin tones, like I mentioned previously. So I'm going to use a fluffy brush. I'm going to coat my brush into it and tap off the excess. थोड़ा बहुत fallout है इसमें. This is the brush I'm using. It shouldn't be very flat. It has to be a little bit fluffy, and this is how it looks like. Now I would say for more intensity, it's best to use your finger, because I figured that with a brush it does not show up that well, and I have used this color before, so I can clearly tell you. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use my finger. I'm going to use my second finger, and I'm going to go ahead and apply it out here. I would highly recommend this gold color. You can definitely use it when you're going for wedding functions, party. अभी तो ये सब पे ban लग चुका है for obvious reasons of the COVID. So whenever life gets back to normal, I guess this will be really a nice color to go for if you're planning to shop. Okay, so moving on, what I'm going to do is now I'm going to just take that fluffy brush. I cleaned it, and then I'm going to just blend everything here together so that it looks seamless. Okay friends, so this is how my eye makeup has turned out so far, and the lighting is playing games with us today. So it has suddenly become very cloudy, and also I think 2 or 3 days back it has rained in Goa, so I'm not sure if it is going to rain here. It's extremely hot today, and right now it's cloudy, so please excuse the lighting. So can you see I have put that copper shadow out here, shade number 6, and I've used Bronx 8. Now my honest opinion about these two shadows is that the copper one is really pigmented. I would highly recommend. The Bronx one is nice, but आपको अपना finger use करना पड़ेगा, और ज़्यादा intensity के लिए you will have to wet your brush, or you will have to use a setting spray, and it will show up really nicely. So this is what I have achieved so far in terms of the makeup. Now for my brow highlight, I am going to use the most popular shadow, like I mentioned before, and it is called the Queen 7, and most of the people who have reviewed it have said that you can use it as a highlighter as well. आज हम इसका दूध का दूध और पानी का पानी करेंगे. So I have taken it a little bit on my brush, and I'm going to apply it below my brow bone. Okay, now the big deal, I would say, I'm going to use it. I'm going to coat my brush. This is the brush I'm using. I'm going to coat my brush with that shadow, tap off the excess, and you're going to see how it works as a highlighter. Oh yeah, definitely works. You see that? Put a little bit on my nose and little bit out here. So it gives you a lovely glow and it's not too much. Now it says it's pink tone, but I feel it has a lot of silver and golden reflex to it. So I would say सबसे सस्ता highlighter है. Can you see that? It's looking really nice. And I'm very happy with it. तो मेरा पैसा वसूल हो गया, I would say. Applying little bit on my nose, my pupil too, little bit. Okay, so this is what my face looks like right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some kajal and mascara and I'm going to be right back. Alright friends, so I'm done with my makeup and this is how it has turned out. So I'm really pleased with how my eye makeup looks, and look at that glow. It's really beautiful, and I use that eyeshadow which is Queen's number 7. So I would highly recommend that to be used as a highlighter, also as an eyeshadow. I did use that under my brow bone. So in total I used 3 shades to do my eye makeup today. Shade number 6, which is Brooklyn, then shade number 7, which is Queens, for highlighting my brow bone and using as highlighter, and shade number 8, which is Bronx. Now the Bronx shade is really beautiful, but I would suggest you to use it with your finger. Brush से इतना अच्छा pay off नहीं आता है. Can you see I have applied it with my finger? And you can also use it wet, you can also use it with a setting spray. So the shades Woolworth, which is this one, is like a brown tone maroon color, and this is again a deep red color. These will look really good on all skin tones, especially those who are of deeper skin tones. Now the price of these is 125 rupees, and you get a good amount of 1.2 grams product. I have seen a lot of reviews on YouTube. They're saying ये मत खरीदिए, बहुत छोटा है, ये है वो है. Let me tell you, for 125 it's totally worth it. Like even Miss Claire अभी 125 का नहीं मिलता है. I remember back in the day in 2014 and 15, I had started reviewing Miss Claire products. That time they were not that popular, and those products were only available in Bombay. And cut to now, like 7-8 years later, everything is available online. So at that time, single eyeshadows were in fashion, and everybody loved those and everybody wanted those. And right now very few brands come out with single eyeshadows. Most of them put out palettes, but I feel single eyeshadows are really practical. If I have to recommend shades from this range, is the ones which I have used today. The other two I felt a little deep and dark for me. Like I like the copper, it's really nice. Then I like this as a highlighter, definitely using this a lot. And gold has always been my favorite shade when it comes to golden eyeshadow. So like I was talking about these eyeshadows, I think they're really amazing. They come in 24 shades. The only drawback is you do not have any matte shadows. Most of them are like satin, silky and metallic-y types. Like, can you see that there is a sheen to it? I do not mind that at all. In fact, I like these type of eyeshadows, and they are definitely good to be used like on everyday basis also, if you want to go out and if you are going to go to a function or a party, which doesn't seem happening right now, but I'm sure in the future it will. So they have a variety of shades. They have like nude kind of color, they have golden, then they have this pinky champagne kind of color, they have a blue, they have a purple, they have green. तो जो चाहिए आपको वो सब शेड्स इसमें मिल जाएंगे. Now I have always got these on offer. I have got some of them like buy one get one free, which means एक आई शेडो आपको 63 का पड़ रहा है. और अगर आपको उस प्राइस पे अगर ये आई शेडो मिलता है, आई थिंक इट्स नॉट बैड. Many people are complaining about the pan size, so let me show you closely. Yes, it is tiny, but to be honest, like if you actually remove it and place it in an eyeshadow palette, मतलब उतना ही quantity मिलेगा. So I do have one eyeshadow palette, although इसमें ज़्यादा quantity है. I would say slightly, this one is slightly bigger than this one. So let's do a comparison. So can you see this one and the one in this eyeshadow palette? तो ज़्यादा फ़र्क नहीं है. 1.2 ग्राम काफ़ी है और आपको काफ़ी टाइम चल जाएगा. If you are looking to buy this shade number 7 as highlighter, trust me, even if you use it for 3 months, ये चल जाएगा. And if you get it like on 50% discount, like buy one get one free, मतलब 63 rupees में आपको एक highlighter मिल जाएगा. Also you can use it as eyeshadow. So I don't think so that's bad at all. Regarding the pigmentation, I would say it's not 100% great. I would say it's 75% good and 25% it can be worked with, which means whenever you apply eyeshadow, like I always do that, I always apply concealer, foundation, something so like a base, so that my eyeshadow sticks to it. In India we do not easily get an eyeshadow primer, तो हमारे लिए वैसा आई शेडो प्राइमर मतलब हमारे लिए फाउंडेशन या कंसीलर या आई शेडो प्राइमर की तरह काम करता है, एंड आई वुड हाईली रेकमेंड. So overall, I think what is my thought about this? I think these shadows are amazing. For 125, you cannot get anything better than this. It can definitely be worked with. You can definitely buy them on offer. Now they are available on exclusively on purple.com, and they may also be available now on Amazon, because I know NYB products are available there. If I find the link to that, I will definitely mention it in the description box. So yes, this was my review of the NYB eyeshadows. Okay friends, so this was my review of the NYB blinking eyeshadow. I hope you found it helpful. I have mentioned everything what I think about these eyeshadows in the video. I think they are amazing, and they are truly worth the price that they come in, especially when you get a lot of discounts on the Purple app. That is where I would suggest you to buy it, because you get a lot of discounts over there. I'm an elite member there, so I keep on buying products from there. So I really like the brand NYB in general, because they make really inexpensive products. So I wanted to give these a try. I do have more shades on my mind. Currently I do not want to shop so much that I'm not able to use it, because my past experience has been such, like I buy too many things and I'm not able to use it. So I'm happy with the shades I've got, especially shade number 7 and 8, and I'm really looking forward to trying it. This shade number 7 works really well as a highlighter. So this was my review for today. I hope you guys found it helpful and informative. If yes, please like this video, share it on your social media, and do not forget to tag me as well. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Until then, take care, stay safe, maintain social distancing, wear your mask, and also get vaccinated. Bye bye for now.